Welcome back to part 11 of our DIY backyard renovation, and as much as I would love to get started on planting all of these beautiful plants that we just got, we need to prepare for the market lights that I want to hang over our deck. So today we're installing some posts to hang them on. We started by digging our holes. Ours are 12 by 12 and 3 feet deep. We added some rocks on the very bottom and then got started on mixing our concrete. I think we used about 5 or 6 bags of concrete per hole, and we're using a 4x4 pressure treated redwood for our post. We used a large level to make sure everything was straight, and then attached the post to some wooden stakes in the ground to make sure it stayed sturdy while it dried. And in case you were wondering, the dogs are loving their new lawn and were absolutely no help during this project. We installed 3 posts and it took us a couple of hours to get this all finished. Once these dry, we plan to cut them down a little bit so the lights will be level with the house trim when we string the lights across the deck. I'll also be adding a solid color stain and sealer to the posts to give them a more finished look. I also love the idea of hanging a plant or a lantern off of these. What do you guys think? Well, that's all folks, at least for today. And then in next episode, we are going to be planting all of the plants along the deck because I still need to get the rest of the materials for the market. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more DIYs and home renovations.